If you're constantly finding yourself negotiating with brands and not getting deals accepted, there's actually one tactic that I use that works really, really well. You've got to be offering the brand multiple options, and not just any options. Let me actually show you what this could look like. But first, if you're someone who feels like they need help with negotiations like these, like this confuses you, get into Social Suite. You have one-on-one access to me where I will literally help you write up all of these emails. So say, for example, you talk to a brand and say, here is my offer, $1,000 for a TikTok video and an in-feed post. The brand gets back to you and says, we'd love to do that, but we only have $500 to spend. So they can't meet you at that $1,000. This is what my email back to them basically looks like. First, I basically say to them, thank you for the offer. This is something that I can offer you that's a little bit maybe more in line with your budget and your needs. And then I outline the 3 different options. So option number 1 is maybe a TikTok video at $400, so it's less than their budget. Option 2 is what the deliverables are that they wanted, but at a price that's a little bit closer to what I want. And then option number 3 is more deliverables, but at a highly discounted price. And the reason why this works so well is that because you're offering them 3 different options, they're very much inclined to take at least one of them, right? So option number 1 is below their budget. This is the same deliverables, but closer to their budget. And then this is more than they asked for, but at a major discounted price. So it's really hard for them to say no to this, especially knowing what the typical cost for these deliverables would be. And this is pretty much the outline that I use for almost every single negotiation that I go into where a brand says they can't meet me at my budget.